Yeah, we back, baby. I'm a buck style. South Africa. Santi. This one is for you. Let's go.
Another advantage. Here's Kolisi. Taken low by Jordy Barrett. Sabia was flying in there as well. De Toy. De Klerk. Kolisi again.
He's got it down.
And now Barrett managing to break up. And Orenso with the interception. No one will catch him. He is just a try-scoring machine.
Got intercepted. He does well. He beats the first tackler here. So looking for the offload. No one ran off his shoulder. Was looking for Will Jordan, but Curtly Orenso just strong, hasn't he? He's got a good pass, very strong in contact.
They shift the angle of attack of the ball, powering their way forward and over.
Well, it's been dominant from the Springboks, especially up front.
Well, absolutely dominant from South Africa. Did an absolute demolition job here.